This is the Mojoco Mini Clothes Dryer. So let's dive right in. Inside the box, you'll find two cards. One is the warranty card, and the other is the instruction manual, which contains all the necessary information about the product. You will also find a storage pouch where you can place the dryer, and lastly, the main dryer unit itself. Now that we've taken everything out, let's start setting it up. Most portable dryers come with separate parts that need to be assembled, but with this dryer, everything is already pre-installed. Once you open the compartment, you'll see that the dryer bag is already attached and ready to use. Before anything else, make sure that all vents both inside and outside the machine are free from any blockage. This is important to prevent damage and ensure the machine operates properly. Blocked vents may cause overheating, which can trigger the machine's automatic safety shutoff. If this happens, simply wait for the machine to cool down until you hear a beep, indicating that it's ready to be used again. Now that the dryer is ready, let's hang it on a pole. The setup is very straightforward and easy to do. One great feature of this machine is that it supports global voltage compatibility, operating from 110 volts to 240 volts, making it perfect for traveling to different countries. Once plugged in, you'll hear a beep. From there, simply press the power button to start the machine. The default setting is L2, which is the more powerful heating mode. If you want a gentler setting for delicate clothes, just press the mode button at the bottom to switch to L1. The middle button is the timer button, which allows users to set a timer anywhere from 1 to 8 hours. Now let's take a closer look at the inside of the dryer. When you open the dryer bag, you'll see a metal rack with slots designed to hold hangers. It can accommodate up to 5 pieces of clothing at a time. You'll also notice a violet light inside the machine. This is the built-in UV light that helps provide additional cleansing and purification for your clothes while drying. Once you're done using the dryer, you can simply fold everything back up. The entire setup is compact, and all parts can be stored inside the main unit itself, making it extremely portable and convenient for storage or travel. Finally, you can place the dryer inside the included storage pouch for easy carrying. Whether you're traveling, living in a small space, or simply looking for a more convenient way to dry your clothes, the Mojoco Mini Clothes Dryer delivers portability, reliability, and powerful performance all in one compact machine.